The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a motorcycle that signifies a new era for the legendary brand, showcasing a blend of modern technology and the unmistakable DNA that has defined Harley-Davidson for decades. It represents more than just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of evolution, daring innovation, and a commitment to the future. At its core, the Sportster S is a machine designed for riders who crave power, performance, and style, all packaged into one strikingly bold design. The beating heart of the Sportster S is the Revolution Max 1250T engine, a masterpiece of engineering that redefines the performance capabilities of a cruiser. This liquid-cooled V-twin engine produces an impressive 121 horsepower, a figure that sets it apart from traditional Sportster models and puts it in a league of its own. Designed to deliver a flat torque curve, the engine ensures that power is readily available across the entire rev range, making every twist of the throttle an exhilarating experience. The dual overhead camshaft and variable valve timing further enhance the engine's efficiency and responsiveness, providing a ride that is both thrilling and smooth. The design of the Sportster S immediately grabs attention. Its muscular, low-slung profile exudes power and confidence, while its clean lines and minimalist approach speak to a modern sensibility. The high-mounted exhaust system, inspired by Harley-Davidson's flat-track racing heritage, not only adds to its aggressive aesthetic but also ensures optimal performance. The wide tires and compact frame contribute to its bold stance, giving it a look that is as commanding as it is contemporary. Harley-Davidson has paid meticulous attention to every detail, ensuring that the Sportster S is not just a motorcycle but a work of art. Technology plays a pivotal role in the Sportster S, enhancing both the riding experience and safety. The motorcycle is equipped with advanced features that make it adaptable to various conditions and rider preferences. Selectable ride modes, including sport, road, and rain, allow riders to customize their experience based on their surroundings and personal style. Additionally, the bike offers customizable modes, giving riders the freedom to tailor performance settings to their liking. These options make the Sportster S incredibly versatile, capable of delivering a thrilling ride on twisty mountain roads or a controlled and comfortable experience on wet city streets. Safety and control are further enhanced by state-of-the-art systems such as cornering enhanced ABS and traction control. These features work seamlessly in the background, ensuring stability and confidence even in challenging situations. The motorcycle's lightweight frame and premium suspension system contribute to its agility, making it easy to handle and a joy to ride, whether you're weaving through traffic or carving through curves on an open road. The combination of advanced technology and exceptional engineering ensures that the Sportster S delivers a ride that is both dynamic and secure. The cockpit of the Sportster S reflects Harley-Davidson's commitment to combining tradition with innovation. The 4-inch digital TFT display serves as the centerpiece, providing clear and intuitive access to all essential information, including speed, gear position, ride mode, and more. This modern touch is complemented by Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for navigation, music, and call management. The seamless integration of technology ensures that riders stay connected without compromising safety or focus on the road. Comfort is a key consideration in the design of the Sportster S. The low seat height and mid-mounted controls create a riding position that is both comfortable and commanding, accommodating a wide range of riders. The ergonomics are designed to reduce fatigue, making it suitable for both short city commutes and long-distance journeys. For those looking to enhance their ride further, Harley-Davidson offers a range of accessories, including a passenger pillion, backrest, and luggage options. These additions make the Sportster S a versatile companion, capable of adapting to solo adventures or shared experiences. The exhaust note of the Sportster S is another standout feature, delivering a deep, throaty sound that resonates with Harley-Davidson's iconic heritage. It's a reminder that while the Sportster S represents a step into the future, it remains deeply rooted in the brand's storied past. The attention to detail extends to the finishes and materials, with premium paint options and high-quality components that ensure durability and a timeless aesthetic. Harley-Davidson's decision to innovate with the Sportster S reflects its understanding of the changing landscape of motorcycling. Today's riders seek machines that combine performance, technology, and style, and the Sportster S delivers on all fronts. It appeals to both traditional Harley-Davidson enthusiasts who appreciate the brand's legacy and a new generation of riders looking for a motorcycle that embodies freedom and individuality in a modern package. The Sportster S bridges the gap between tradition and progress, offering a fresh perspective on what a Harley-Davidson can be. The versatility of the Sportster S is evident in its ability to adapt to different riding scenarios. Whether you're cruising through urban streets, exploring winding backroads, or embarking on a long-distance journey, the motorcycle delivers a consistently exceptional experience. Its powerful engine and agile handling make it a joy to ride, while its advanced features ensure safety and comfort in every situation. The Sportster S is more than just a motorcycle, it's a partner in adventure, a machine that invites you to explore new horizons and embrace the open road. The Sportster S also serves as a statement of Harley-Davidson's commitment to sustainability and innovation. By incorporating a liquid-cooled engine and advanced electronics, the motorcycle is designed to meet modern environmental standards without sacrificing performance. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Harley-Davidson remains relevant in an industry that is rapidly evolving, appealing to a broader audience while staying true to its core values. Riding the Sportster S is an experience that engages all the senses. The roar of the engine, the feel of the wind, and the connection to the road create a sense of freedom that is uniquely Harley-Davidson. It's a reminder of why we ride, of the joy and exhilaration that come with every mile. The Sportster S is not just a machine, it's an extension of the rider, a reflection of their passion and individuality. In a world where motorcycles are increasingly defined by technology and innovation, the Harley-Davidson Sportster S stands out as a perfect balance of tradition and progress. It honors the legacy of the Sportster lineup while charting a bold new course for the future. With its powerful engine, striking design, and advanced features, the Sportster S is a motorcycle that demands to be ridden, a machine that inspires confidence and ignites the imagination. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is more than just a motorcycle, it's a declaration of intent. It's a bike that challenges conventions, redefines expectations, and sets a new standard for performance and style. For riders who seek adventure, individuality, and a connection to the open road, the Sportster S is a perfect choice. It's a motorcycle that celebrates the spirit of freedom, the thrill of exploration, and the timeless allure of the ride.